Hi, my name is Raina, and I'm here to do my extra credit for my Olive Harvey calculus class. So the title of my presentation is Fun Facts About Calculus, and so basically I answer questions that the teacher assigned us. The first question is, what is calculus? And basically, calculus is the study of how things change, and a lot of calculus has to do with finding derivatives, which is the rate of change between 2 points. The second question is, what is the difference between integration and differentiation? Differentials deal with how things change over time, and integrals show how things increase over time, or in other words, accumulate. Third question, who invented calculus? Isaac Newton, along with Mr. Leibniz, were set to create calculus, and there is speculation as to who created it first, but regardless of that, both men have contributed to the study of calculus in significant ways. The next question is, what is continuous as it pertains to calculus? Continuous is when there is no break in the graph, and ways to tell is if you were to trace the line of the function, and if you don't lift your pencil from the paper, that means it's continuous. An example I have here would be this one. This graph is continuous because you can trace it and you don't lift your hand or pencil from the board. This is discontinuous because there's a jump in the graph. And that's my example of being continuous versus discontinuous. And why is continuity important in calculus? And continuity is important in calculus because limits can be determined from continuity, and the validity of all points or values can be tested to see if a function is continuous. The next question, what do derivatives have to do with continuity? And if there is a derivative at a certain point, that means that at that point it is continuous. Discontinuity most likely means that the limit does not exist. What is a cusp, and in what ways are cusps significant? A cusp is when the graph makes a sharp dip or a turn. In some cases, cusps can look as if they are reflected against an axis. And cusps are important because they can be checked for cases of discontinuity or if a limit exists at that point. And here is my example of a cusp, basically just like a dip in the graph right there. So thanks for watching. Those are all my questions and answers for today.